Does anybody know how to get the smell of stink bait for catfish off your hands while you're driving your truck? It's stinking up the cab of my truck. What do I do? What do I do? Okay guys, I did not bring you all the way to Seguin, Texas just to see another Walmart, right? Well, last night when I was trying to upload all my photos and videos to my laptop, I discovered I forgot my mouse. Boy, I was having to do all that by hand, and that sucked really bad. So this is my first Walmart I've seen today, so I'm gonna go in there and hopefully find a mouse, and so I don't go crazy tonight trying to transfer all my files. And then we'll go to that roadside attraction I was talking about. Well, you guys ready for a little mini unbagging from Walmart? This is it. An ONN travel mouse. So hopefully tonight, when I transfer my files, I won't go crazy. Let's hit the road again. You're probably saying right now, you brought us all the way to Seguin, Texas, just so you can pay that speeding ticket from last year. No. Hang on. We're in Seguin, Texas, which is home of the world's largest pecan. There you go, folks. The world's largest pecan. So we made it to Castroville, Texas. My kind of people, my ancestors. But the first stop was Habby's Bakery for some bread. Yeah, believe it or not, for some bread. It's the best. So as you can see, we made it to Castroville, Texas. Our first stop was at Habby's Bakery. Habby's is a really great, famous bakery in this area, and sure, it's famous for a lot of stuff, but my Aunt Kathy, oh yeah, got another bagging for you, and it's nothing but bread, okay? This is the best bread in the world. So I'm gonna give one of my loaves to my aunt, San Antonio, and the other one for my mom. Well, I'll probably eat off the one tonight for, you know, snacks and stuff like that, or a sandwich. But right now, I am starving for a real meal. So there's another good restaurant right across the street from Habby's called Sammy's. So we're gonna go to Sammy's first, get some food, and then we'll move on from there. Well, the smell of that bakery was making me hungry, so across the street I went on over to Sammy's for lunch. I filled up good and I felt good afterwards. Well, Sammy's had some good food. I had the catfish. And of course, right across the street, well, catty corner or whatever, is this house that the Alsace people in France came over and built this in their tradition of how houses were built over there. And I was here once before, but I lost all my content on it, so here I am back again, take a few more photos and some video and whatever. And I think like my one of my nephews is doing a project on this, so maybe I can turn over that content to him for his project. All right, So
our next stop is the old Steinbach house. Now, some folks from the old country called the Alsace-Lorraine area, which is now in France, but it's been passed back and forth between France and Germany throughout the years. They came over here and built this because, you see, my ancestors are from that area. So let's go on in and take a look around. Looks like a lot of old antiques. Obviously a sewing machine. Now here's a little stove to keep you toasty while you sleep. Or when you eat. Or when you sleep again. It looks like this building was made out of post and peg construction, as you can see here. There's grandfather's clock. And this is kind of a map of the area. Of course, it's now in France. Germany is on to your right. There's some stairs here. Let's, should we go on up? We'll pan around a little bit more. Yeah, let's go on up now. Creaky, creaky. And you can see a good example of the post or peg construction here. And like I said, the folks from that area of the old country, which is now France, they shipped this whole house over here. Oh, did I say Alsace-Lorraine? It's Alsace-Lorraine. I thought I said Auslander. That's the area. There's some more stairs. Let's check it out. No, we can't. It's blocked. My German's not that good. But maybe this is what it means. Can you guess my next stop? Well, okay, is your mouth watering yet? This is Zook's. I've been here and reported it before, but I had to come back for, of course, more beef jerky. As you can see, it's decorated with a lot of taxidermy around. And yep, I think you know what I got. Of course, the butcher shop is in the back.
Okay, just got out of Zook's Meat Market here in Castroville. Zook's has some really good beef and pork sticks that I like, and also beef jerky. That's why we came here, right? I just got the normal thin strip beef jerky. I didn't get the peppered one. My mouth is all peppered out from the other beef jerky. So they had some nice restrooms. I'm going to go back in, make a pit stop, and then we'll be on our way again.
Once again, I made it to Hondo, Texas to see their famous sign. Yes, this is the famous Hondo, Texas sign. Welcome. This is God's country. Please don't drive through it like hell. So we made it to Bandera, Texas, the cowboy capital of the world. And this is their courthouse there. I remember doing some art and craft shows. This is a little panoramic view from the courthouse. So we'll go closer to town. There's a sign for 173. We'll probably take that up north to Kerrville. There's their famous water tower in the middle of the town. They got some crazy saloons. Another shot of the street. Here's another little panoramic view of the downtown area. Crazy, crazy. I could hear cows in the background. This is a really good steakhouse. I need to check it out someday. And this is the Medina River. I also did a art and craft show along the banks of this river that runs through a park.
So that's basically the Bandera walk around town. You know, it's one of those typical places with you know, a lot of gift shops, restaurants, places to stay for the night. And of course Bandera is also known for the having all the dude ranches. So I guess if you get online and type Bandera, Texas plus dude ranches, they can come on out here. They'll make you a cowboy for a week, okay? Our next stop is Kerrville, and there's two ways to get there. Highway 17 north, and that's like driving through mountainous territory. I've done it once. And then there's highway, well, the highway we were on from Hondo, 173. And that'll take us a nice straight through shot into Kerrville. And so let's head to Kerrville. Okay, I'm finally back at my new cave in Kerrville, Texas. It was kind of a long day, yeah. We started out with some fishing, didn't catch a fish, but caught an SET, right? Someone else's tackle out there on that lake. Then we headed west on Highway 90 and, you know, stopped at a few places and stopped at Hondo. Now, like I said in the earlier video, Hondo is about where I want to quit on this Highway 90 road trip. So I scooted up north to Bandera, and we saw a few sights, mainly the downtown. And then we got up to Kerrville, and it looks like it's starting to turn dark. Now I have some friends in the area, so they have some land off of the Guadalupe River. I'm gonna try to contact them, see if we can do some fishing tomorrow over at their place. And then from there we'll figure something out. Kerrville's kind of an artsy place. Maybe we'll check out some of the shops, I don't know. Actually, I want to get to, I want to end up the day in Fredericksburg, because tomorrow, not tomorrow morning, but the morning after, I want to be able to hike up Enchanted Rock. So I'm going to call it a day for now, and until next time, you guys be safe out there. Take care.
I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.